I have a new solar outdoor bug zapper to share. This one's a lot larger than any of the other ones that I have on my property. This one also does come with a 20-watt solar panel to keep this topped up. While it's charging, it's going to have a green blinking light. This is just going to plug in right here in the back, DC plug. There's also a USB to DC that you can use to charge this indoors if you need to get it charged up without some sun. And we also do have our stakes, so we can stick it into the ground, which is how I usually do it. If you want to hang it up, or if you just want the solar panel in a different spot, it also does come with an extension cable, so you can reroute this panel somewhere else. I don't know how many feet this one is. It's actually pretty long though. I'll have to look that up. The solar panel itself is adjustable. You can tighten it and loosen it right here on the sides, and you can adjust this for your optimal sun. Here on the side, there is going to be your switch to turn it on and off. So depending on if you do all the way to the right, it's going to turn it completely on. If you turn it all the way to the left, that's going to be where it's going to turn on once it gets dark enough. But it is bright enough where you can still see it right now. All right, so for our stakes, all they have to do, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off for now. As for our stakes, we got some holes in the bottom here. Just got to get these pressed in, and then we're going to stick this into the ground. That's all we got to do. And I think I'm going to stick it right here, because in the morning and afternoon, that's going to allow some sun to hit it and charge it. And I'm going to put mine right here. I like how this one's actually a lot taller too. Well, now I screwed up and tried to force this in, and I just broke one of the stakes. The ground underneath this couple inches is really hard, plus roots and stuff. So what I'm going to do for now, so I'm going to hold it in with a couple tent stakes since I messed that up. That tit stake won't even go in. All right, so all we got to do now is wait for it to get dark, and I'll show it zapping some stuff. So this one is definitely a lot brighter too. I did hear some bugs zap. Of course, I didn't have the camera set up, so we'll see if we actually get one in here before I head in. Today was a lot cooler, plus we had a thunderstorm, so we don't really have a whole lot of bugs that are flying around at the moment. So hopefully I'll get some zaps. It's definitely covered with a lot of bugs. It's not actively zapping, but there are a ton of them on there. But if you're looking to get a solar powered bug zapper, this one is pretty large, larger than any of the other ones that I have done. Pretty large solar panel as well, 20 watts to charge it during the day, and it's going to last throughout most of the night. But if you're looking for a zapper, definitely get you one.